the questions and ideas posed by retail investors, like small retail investors, like I think many of you in the audience, are actually the most insightful. And I find it remarkable that, essentially amateur, like normal everyday people actually understand Tesla better than the analysts. I mean, how much you must see this as like, it's like, and I mean, I think like, to really say like, well, like what's the point of a company is, the point of a company is to create useful products and services. A company should not exist in and of itself. It exists, it's a group of people gathered together to make products and services. And if those products and services are great, it's a valuable and useful company, and if they're not, there's not. And so really, to understand a company, you must use its products. And if you think the products are great, then well, the company's great. That's it. That's how it is. And so I think, ironically, a lot of the people that sort of professional analysts don't drive Teslas. So I'm like, well, okay, maybe you should. Yeah, cool. I mean, we aim to make Tesla the most amount of fun you can have in a car, So, yeah. So let's see. So I think that there are a lot of really good and insightful ideas that I see on the internet, on Twitter and whatnot. And oh yeah, Twitter. Yeah, so let's see. I think sometimes people fret a bit too much about short-term things which are clearly just, just bumps in the road type of thing, where there might be a supplier shortage or some shutdown in some part of the world. But really, those things are clearly just kind of one-off items and don't really matter for the long term. The sort of the trend, if you like looking at the sort of cumulative output and cumulative miles driven, and you can see that cumulative output is a very clean exponential. And so I guess sometimes people fret a little bit too much about this quarter or that quarter, but if you're a shareholder, a company is really like the net present value of future cash flows. And so what is one quarter is not really a big deal. I think if you see people panicking, then instead of saying, oh man, my stock's gone down, there's a buying opportunity. So.